weather stories collided this month. One is about an AI breakthrough. The other is about why breakthroughs like it may not be enough. But I know what is enough before I get into the details of this story, which is the fact that Cipher, yes, India's biggest AI summit and expo, is back, which makes it more than enough. And it is bigger than ever. So IBM Bob presents Cipher 2026. It shall take place in October of this year. The venue is KTPO Bengaluru. And I know that you're very serious about your AI and tech, which, well, then confirms the fact that you will be at IBM Bob presents Cipher 2026. And now, back to Google DeepMind's WeatherNext model. Yep, which actually now predicts cyclone track intensity and wind structure with a full extra day of lead time. Its 3-day forecasts match what older systems could only deliver 2 days out. It already proved itself in the real world, flagging Hurricane Melissa's rapid intensification to Category 5 and its Jamaica landfall 5 days in advance in 2025. Now, Google has open sourced the model explicitly to lower the barriers for national weather services in under-resourced regions like the Caribbean, Pacific Islands, and South Asia. That was actually the premise. Now, here's the problem it doesn't fix. Kerala's Chief Minister, V.D. Satheesan, is now promising an AI-backed disaster management program after this August flash floods. It dumped over 300 mm of rain in a single day. Rain-related incidents in the state have killed 15 people, while several are still reportedly missing. But CPIM's Pathinamthitta district secretary alleged no warning preceded a water release from the Muziar Dam, contributing to floods that left over 3,000 people stranded. Now, according to AIM, a fisherman along the coast told a TV channel his alert arrived only after rough weather had already hit, while other days brought warnings meant for districts far from his own. Now, scientist S. Abhilash, who works directly with Kerala's fishing and farming communities, argues accuracy is actually the wrong metric entirely. According to him, the real question is whether a forecast reaches the right person in a form they understand early enough to act on, which is actually quite a valid point. He frames the whole warning chain as 3 stages, and here they are, which is observation, prediction, and communication. He also says communication is where even a good forecast starts losing its value through oversimplified bulletins, delays, and alerts sent to the wrong districts, which, by the way, breeds alert fatigue and erodes trust. Now, part of the problem is structural. IMD's Kerala Meteorological Center Director, Neetha K. Gopal, says flood forecasting itself is handled by the Central Water Commission using IMD's rainfall data, while flood warning, and I quote, is the responsibility of CWC, end quote. She also notes IMD's core rainfall forecasting process, and I quote again, remains a fully manual operational process, end quote, with AI still limited to experimental pilots under Mission Mausam. No single agency owns the full journey from forecast to a family deciding whether to evacuate. Researchers see AI's real value not in sharper prediction alone, but in personalizing warnings instead of sending everyone the same district-wide bulletin, which I think is very poignant as a point. Which brings us to the front page take. Google proved the hardest technical part of this problem is largely solved, and it's giving that capability away for free to exactly the countries that actually need it the most. That should actually be the good news. Kerala's floods prove it isn't, because India's actual constraint was never really the forecast. It's actually that no single agency owns the journey from a rainfall number to a family walking out of a flood zone. And an open source AI model, no matter how efficient, doesn't fix a jurisdictional gap between IMD, the CWC, and state disaster authorities. What Kerala exposed is an accountability gap, and closing that one is squarely India's job, not Silicon Valley's. Yeah, fully agree on that one. I really would like to understand what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.